How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning to Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over Lordstown Motors stock, ticker symbol RIDE, which is an electric vehicle company. And just like Nikola Motors, they haven't yet released any um, vehicles. Still trying to get that all sorted out. But what I think that this is a pretty good opportunity. We can see on our screen right here, down 17% on the day as of Friday. They reported earnings on Thursday. Guidance had some delays, stock dropped. But I think that now is pretty low point. Take a look at the 5 year. We're basically sitting at all-time lows. So stock can't really go too much more further than this. But the good thing is that any news, any positive news, just sends the stock skyrocketing, as we can see here. This was November 10th. They said that Foxconn was reaching a deal with Lordstown Motors. And if you're not familiar with Foxconn, they are the world's largest contract electronics maker, and they're known for assembling the Apple's iPhone. It basically helps this company, Lordstown Motors, significantly reduce its raw material, component, and other input costs. So this is just going to allow Lordstown Motors to focus on designing and basically getting their vehicles out to consumers. So any good news is sends the stock skyrocketing. So that's why I think that's a good opportunity to get into the stock right now. Obviously, the stock can continue dropping, but it's going to be a bit of a risk, high reward. All-time highs was around 2020, early 2021, when it hit around $31 per share. So this is why I think that now is potentially a good time to get into the stock. All-time lows, very close to all-time lows. Any positive news is going to send the stock skyrocketing, as you mentioned earlier with the deal with Foxconn. But the stock did end up selling off back to where it was, the mid $5 price point, because of earnings. As you can see here, earnings not that bad, still in the negatives, but the main thing is that they're delaying the launch of their electric pickup by a quarter because of supply chain issues. Now, not only Lordstown, but like every other manufacturer out there is getting hit with the supply chain issues. So this is a pretty common thing right now. And they're delaying next year's launch of its Endurance electric pickup truck by a quarter, which is not that long, but I guess people are scared that it's going to continue to get delayed. And that's what people are really selling the stock for. They're pretty scared. And what better way to get into stock when people are scared? Warren Buffett's most famous quote is being fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So I think now could be a good time to be greedy, pick up some shares, buy some call options, and just ride it out. It's going to be a high risk, high reward, as mentioned earlier. We just got to see what's going to happen with this company, the stock. A lot of potential, though, in my opinion, because if you're willing to hold it for the long term, you can see this stock absolutely skyrocket, and you can make pretty good returns on your capital as long as you get in early. That's how you make a lot of money in the market. It's getting into these stocks early, buying up the dips, and just riding it out for the long term. Just buying and holding. And don't worry too much what happens in the short term if you do believe in the companies, because you don't want your emotions to influence your decisions, whether you panic sell or just sell for a little bit of profit. Overall, very good long term, high risk, high reward. You have the potential to make a lot of money with this stock, in my opinion. But that's about it for this video. Quick update on Lordstown. If you like the video, like it, comment down below what your thoughts are, and of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.